Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Burbler. We're in an HG playing, and, yeah. I'm here with a guest. Not really a guest because he's in most of our videos. I just gotta get okay. Damn it! I chose the wrong one. Dion, find the swamp. No, that's not my song. I have no idea what you just said. Yeah, I won't mind since I'm recording and I'm getting not good FPS. I'm not. I'm Kanga.
Negative.
Yeah, it's going negative, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
And I'm going which way? Are you going to the one close to
No, I'm going to the one far. Whoa. Chunk's not loading. Okay, I'm at the swamp.
You there?
Yeah.
Did you pass a jungle?
Huh?
Did you pass the jungle?
No.
What are your chords right now?
My chords are negative 160, and my chords are negative 160, negative 160. So I'm just at negative 160.
I think I'm lost.
Are you kidding? This is why you need to learn how to use chords. Watch a video on how to use freaking chords.
Can you just come back to spawn?
I'm not going back to spawn.
Okay, I think I'm going
You know what? I'm just making swords.
I don't need a sword because I'm a barbarian.
I just made 4 swords for no reason.
I already freaking told you I'm barbarian.
You're gonna have to help me because I'm getting very laggy.
What are your chords again?
Negative 160, negative 160.
You went the wrong way though.
No, I'm at the swamp. You went the wrong way.
Can you come back to spawn to get me?
Oh my god. I'm coming.
You got soup?
Yes. I'm Kanga. I just found Pete Kids. I'm killing this Kevin's awesome kid. He was barbarian. Okay, I have a stone sword now.
What did you pass?
I'm gonna turn that on. Okay, where are you? Do they have soup?
I don't know.
What? What's their name?
Just go see, like, well, I don't know where. I just randomly once I see them.
Oh, I found him.
Which one?
The team of 2. They're doing a trap.
What kind? Someone fisherman?
Yeah.
Okay, yep, you're close.
What are your chords? Oh, I'm tracking you. Never mind. I see you.
Where are you? Okay, they have some.
Oh my God.
Do they have soup?
Yes, run, Dion, run. It's a good thing I'm kangaroo, so I can't die. They don't have soup.
What trap are they doing?
Damn it. I'm dead. Wow.
Oh,